Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I am Sayyida Iffat from GMCI, Global Montessori Coaching Institute. Today we bring to you a very interesting activity, the sensory bin. What is the sensory bin? Something like this. You have a shallow container, preferably with very soft edges, because this is an activity designed for early years, for very small children who are yet to explore the concepts of numbers, shapes, and lots of other concepts related to their senses. So it's a sensory exploration, play-based activity. It's a free play-based activity in which you are stimulating all the senses, in which you are developing all the 4 domains of a child: the cognitive development, the social emotional development, the language development, along with the physical development, the gross and fine motor skills. Each and everything is very thoroughly developed through this sensory bin. Preferably, you should have a big shallow container, whatever it is, round, square, rectangle, but it should have ample space in which you can put in a lot of dry material. Some people do it with wet material also when you are doing it with water. I'm doing this with rice. You can put in pulses, grains, sand, salt. You can even put in colored rice in it. You can put confetti in it. There are lots of materials with which you can fill this box. So this is your sensory bin, and we are going to discover some very interesting things in this. So let's begin. What are you waiting for? Hello children, do you know what is inside? Should I tell you? Can you see this? Oh, it's empty. Why? Where did all the numbers go? I'm thinking they might be hidden over here. Let's find out. Where are all the numbers? All my numbers have run away somewhere. Where are you, my numbers? Where are you? Where is 1? Where is 2? Let's see. Oh, I see something blue. Here is my number 8. Number 8, where were you? I was looking for you. Let's put you back in your place. What is this? Number 6. Why did you run away and leave me? Number 6, let's put you back in your place. There are other numbers hidden over here. Number 5, let's put you back in your place. Where will you go? Where will you go? What will you do? There you go. You fit in over here. You all have your own seats. Number 2, let's go to your place. There you go. What is this green thing? Can you recognize? It's number 3. Wow. You were also hiding from me, number 3. Why were you hiding from me? Can you fit in? Oh, yes, you fit in perfectly over here. What is this? Where did you come from? Are you number 10? 10, number 10. This is how you fit in over here. Number 4. Let's go to your place. Where are the rest of the numbers? So many interesting numbers hidden. All of you are hiding from me. I found you. I found you. Peekaboo, I see you. Peekaboo, I see you. Did I get all the numbers? Do we have all the numbers? Yes, yes, no. This little fellow is missing. Where are you? Where are you? Ooh. My number 1 is nowhere to be seen. Ta-da! I found you, number 1. You little sneaky fellow, you were hiding from me. So we have all the numbers in place. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at all these beautiful shapes. Can you recognize? But they are all very hollow, shallow. So where are the shapes, the actual shapes? These are the sorters. I think somebody is hiding over here. Peekaboo, I see you. Who are you? I am a star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. What can we see over here? I am a circle, I have no edges, I have no sides. I am a circle, round and round. Who is this? This is a triangle. Triangle, where will you go? Here I go, here I go. What else can we find here? Ooh, this is a square. There you go, there you go. We have a heart. I love you all. Wonderful, beautiful children. Such cute little faces. And what is this? This is a hexagon. Hexagon, because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Let's put it over here. So we have all our shapes right in their places. Circle, triangle, square, star, hexagon, and heart shape. These sneaky little buddies were all hiding over here. Now they are back in its place. ये हैं उर्दू ज़बान के हरूफ तहज्जी. अलिफ मद आ, अलिफ, बे किधर गई? बे के पीछे पे भी चली गई, ते भी चली गई. ये भी, ये सब किधर गए? ये सारे शरारती हरूफ किधर गए हैं? इन हरूफ ने बहुत शरारत की और ये छुप गए हैं अपनी जगह छोड़कर. खाली छोड़ दी है इन्होंने अपनी जगह. अब हम देखते हैं कि ये कहाँ छुपे हैं. मुझे लगता है ये सब यहाँ पर छुपे हुए हैं. निकालें इनको. क्या कहते हैं आप? निकालें या ना निकालें? एक एक करके निकालते हैं. इनको अपनी जगह पे रखते हैं क्योंकि इनके बाकी सारे दोस्त बहुत उदास हो रहे हैं. ये क्या है? हे, क्योंकि इसमें कोई नुक्ता नहीं है. हे हलवाई, खानी है मिठाई. खे के ऊपर एक नुक्ता. खे खरगोश, मैं हो गई बेहोश. जीम जूता, प्यारा प्यारा जूता. जीम के पेट में एक नुक्ता. अब देखते हैं क्या निकलेगा यहाँ से. ये तो सारा जीम का खानदान मुकम्मल हो गया. ये है चे के पेट में 3 नुक्ते. चे चिड़िया, उड़ रही चिड़िया. अब निकली है टोपी. टे के ऊपर टोपी. टे टोपी, सर की है टोपी. और ये क्या निकला? यहाँ पर रखें इसको. मेरा नहीं ख्याल. इसके ऊपर तो 3 नुक्ते हैं, इसके ऊपर तो 2 नुक्ते हैं. कहाँ जाएगा ये? यहाँ पर नहीं, यहाँ पर. से के ऊपर 3 नुक्ते. उसके बाद ढूंढ के हमने निकाला पे को. पे पत्ता, हरा हरा पत्ता. पे के नीचे 3 नुक्ते. पे कहता है प. पे कहता है प. ते के ऊपर 2 नुक्ते. ते कहता है त. ते तितली, उड़ रही तितली. ये क्या है? ये तो मुझे बे लग रही है. बे आएगी यहाँ पर. बे बंदर, चलो भागो अंदर. बे बंदर, चलो भागो अंदर. अब आ गए हैं सारे हरूफ अपनी जगह पर. ये सब यहाँ पर छुपे हुए थे और हमने इनको यहाँ से निकालकर अपनी अपनी जगह पर रख दिया है. सो सारे हरूफ एक दूसरे के साथ दोस्ती करके खुश यहाँ पर रहेंगे.
A sensory bin is a container filled with materials like sand, rice, or water, along with various small objects to provide a child with opportunities for tactile exploration and sensory stimulation. These bins help develop fine motor skills, language, cognition, and self-regulation while introducing different textures and encouraging curiosity and imaginative play. You can create sensory bins for various themes or learning goals using household items or inexpensive materials to make them an adaptable and engaging activity for children at home or in educational settings. अगर आपको आज की हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करना ना भूलिएगा. Shukriya.